there has been a 6.1 magnitude earthquake in Dushe, Turkey. So yesterday, last night, we had an earthquake here in Turkey and in Dushe, where we had at about 5.9 to about 6 to 6.1 magnitude earthquake, which shook the most part of Turkey, uh, Istanbul, Doshe, Ankara, as way as Cyprus, some other parts, and yeah, it was. I even get injury when this thing happened, when everybody tried to run, because you cannot imagine the shaking everywhere, they vibrates. It be like say the world won't just enter ground. It is very traumatic. I mean, I know how many years when I did this country and how many times I don't experience earthquake like this. It is very traumatic because in the next few months, any sound wey you hear, you go feel say na the earthquake. And I get injury for leg. I'll show una the injury, and yeah, and it's funny, we when we even tell people, or we put up, person like me, I put up for my status about the earthquake. People even they busy. People were busy reading the status. They not even call to ask or even send message. They say how you did. Well, this is how it is. This is life, and this is what it is. We never die. We still there alive. Thank you very much.
Earthquake, life in Act hours. Earthquake, life in Act hours. It's happening. Earthquake, everybody's moving. Since the building is about to collapse and it's shaking down. Earthquake. People is moving down. You can see. Everybody's going. Seriously. This is very serious.
At least 35 people were injured, including one seriously, in a magnitude 5.9 earthquake hitting Turkey's northwestern province of Düzce early Wednesday, according to the Turkish health minister. The Turkish Disaster and Emergency Management Authority said the earthquake happened at 4:08 a.m. local time and was centered in the Golyaka district. The tremor was felt in Istanbul, Turkey's largest city, and other surrounding areas. More than 100 aftershocks have been recorded. Reports say that there has been a widespread panic in Golyaka, where the power has gone off.
Tamam.